Howdy howdy world of YouTube. So today we are going to be taking a look at a potential wheel bearing or speed sensor failure on a Hummer H3. Now, my first inclination here was that it was a speed sensor because they are very common on these. If rust gets in between them, and Chevys in general, they rust. That's just what they do. So with that being said, really was hoping for just an issue with a chunk of rust in the speed sensor. And what I'm about to show you is where you know you need a wheel hub assembly and you probably shouldn't be driving your truck. All right, so we got it off the ground. Always make sure that you're putting jack stands underneath whatever you're working on. I don't give a shit what it is or how high off the ground it is. Put jack stands under it, safety first. I also had to chalk my wheels, which you should do regardless of the type of transmission. This is a standard transmission, so you kind of need to. So basic look, obviously my truck needs a little bit of a bath, not a big deal. So first off, you're gonna grab both ends of the tire and you're gonna shake back and forth. Now, when you can do this, usually your first thought is it's probably an inner tie rod or an outer tie rod. So to verify or say, nah, it's not that, it's probably in the bearing, you're gonna grab up and down. I'm sure you probably can't hear that, but that is moving. And you grab at all angles. You know, you want, I don't know, 2 and 7, 9 and 3. You want to every angle, opposite ends. With the way this is moving, this is going to need a wheel bearing, and it is not going to be a good time because, as I may have mentioned before, I'm in New England. Everything here rusts.